Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster, your ultimate channel for rugged rides, off-road beasts, and mobile luxury living. If you're into van life, freedom on wheels, and exploring the world without limits, you're right where you belong. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the Nomadic Nest camper van motorhome, dressed in a show-stopping, vibrant golden finish. It's built for tough terrain, cozy living, and adventure that never stops. With a rugged long body and 4x4 wheels, this golden marvel is ready for anything. Buckle up, because this tour is going to leave you inspired and road ready. Let's hit the road. 2. Exterior front view. Feast your eyes on the bold front of the Nomadic Nest camper van motorhome, proudly on display at the official Nomadic Nest showroom. The vibrant golden paint gleams under natural light, reflecting both elegance and power. Front and center is a distinct Nomadic Nest logo, a symbol of top-tier craftsmanship and innovation. The grille design is clean and confident, flanked by powerful headlamps and aerodynamic lines. This isn't just a camper van. It's a golden chariot designed to command respect wherever it roams. 3. Top side view. Now let's check out the top, where smart living meets sleek design. The rooftop of the Nomadic Nest is kitted out for serious off-grid comfort. You've got integrated solar panels, keeping your batteries charged and essentials powered up 24/7. There's also a low-profile AC unit that handles the heat with ease and a compact signal-boosting antenna to keep you connected no matter how far you roam. It's an intelligent, eco-conscious roof setup that turns this van into a true mobile base camp. 4. Backside view. Swinging around to the back, this van continues to impress. Carefully mounted is a full-size spare tire, because you never know what the wild road will throw at you. Just below, you'll find a cleverly integrated cycle carrier, perfect for stowing your mountain bike or e-scooter with ease. The dual rear doors are tough, secure, and painted in that same radiant golden hue. This rear view screams durability and flexibility, exactly what every serious traveler needs. 5. Side view. Check this out. The side view of the Nomadic Nest is where relaxation comes alive. A fully retractable side tent unfolds into a shaded patio space, ideal for lounging, dining, or just soaking in nature. Imagine setting up your camp chairs, firing up a portable grill, and enjoying golden hour right outside your rolling home. This side setup transforms any location into your personal retreat. Whether you're parked by the lake, forest, or desert, the Nomadic Nest gives you your own slice of outdoor luxury. 6. Driving compartment. Step into the cockpit, and you're met with modern comfort and high-end function. The driving compartment features premium leather seats, intuitive control panels, and a wide panoramic windshield for unobstructed views. Front and center are 2 LED screens, one for navigation and infotainment, the other displaying a live feed from the rear camera, making parking and reversing a breeze. This is the kind of control station that makes every journey smoother, whether you're cruising highways or carving dirt trails. 7. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driver's seat lies the heart of cozy living, the sitting and sleeping zone. During the day, it's a stylish lounge space with a foldable table perfect for meals or remote work. Come nightfall, it converts into a comfy sofa-cum-bed that fits 2 adults. Soft lighting, built-in shelves, and warm colors make this a true relaxation zone. It's the perfect balance of functionality and comfort, proof that small spaces can still offer big vibes. 8. Kitchen. Let's talk food, because adventure works up an appetite. Nestled beside the sitting area is a clever mini kitchen setup. You've got a 2-burner gas stove, a compact stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge to keep your ingredients fresh. Smart cabinetry offers plenty of storage for cookware and supplies. Whether you're frying up breakfast or brewing coffee at sunrise, this kitchen is all about convenience and style in one compact unit. 9. Washroom. Think a van can't have a real washroom? Think again. The Nomadic Nest compact washroom packs serious utility into a small space. You'll find a toilet, a foldable sink, and a mini shower head, all enclosed in a waterproof, well-ventilated space. A small skylight above keeps it airy and bright, while the clever layout ensures every inch is used wisely. It's simple, private, and essential, a true bonus for life on the road. 10. Ending note. And that wraps up our tour of the bold and beautiful Nomadic Nest camper van motorhome. With its vibrant golden body, 4x4 rugged capability, and cleverly designed interior, this rolling retreat is a dream for nomads, explorers, and weekend warriors alike. Best part? It's priced at just $35,000. An incredible value for all the freedom and comfort it offers. Got thoughts? Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. And as always, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next adventure on Jeep Mudmaster.